What's up, guys? It's your boy Connor. Good morning. Happy Sunday. We are doing the fall for Reboot ride today. Although we may get wet, the forecast has been a little bipolar lately. The last couple days has been super sunny. It was raining all last week. Super sunny early to start off this last week. And then yesterday was overcast with rain scattered throughout the spots. And then today it was supposed to be raining currently. That there was, I think, 60% to 80% chance of rain here in Austin, over in Round Rock, Leander, and then all the way going down to San Antonio, with rain being in the forecast for a majority of the day in both spots. So it looked like it was going to be a grand old time. Normally, I usually just cancel or postpone. I woke up early this morning, checked all the radars. There is still a significant chance of rain, but it shows it's going to be scattered. It's not some sort of cell. Again, I'm not a meteorologist, so I probably just completely read that wrong. Let's see if there's anyone here. Oh my God. Oh God, please don't kill me. Oh, it's all the way up there. Oh, there's no one here at the meetup spot. Oh my God, no one likes me. So anyway, it looks like it's just going to be your boy, slowly, going down to San Antonio. Again, we are pretty early. Or actually, no, we're late. We're 9 minutes late, guys. So it looks like it's going to be just your boy going to, what's up, kid? To San Antonio. Yeah, so we're doing the Fall for Reboot ride. And pretty much what that is we're going to be riding all the roads that I used to ride back when I was in San Antonio. And oh, okay, my Cena's trying to talk to me. And now, since we live super far away, we don't ride that often. Siri, you want to be quiet? Say a command. Story of my life, dude. Something will cancel. Something will flip and hit that thing, and next thing you know, it's just going off. So now we're all gassed up. We're gonna give it a little bit, just that way, you know, in case someone wants to show up later than me. Do that, and then we also have a Halloween ride. That's going to be the 28th of October. That's Sunday. We're going to be going down. We're meeting at the Pearl Brewery downtown. We're going to be riding around downtown, just kind of showing off our costumes. I have the ET one. I'm going to be Elliot, but I'm not sure if I want to perfect within my fairing, so the fairing protects the crate, or remove it. Initially, I was thinking about removing it and then putting the crate on there with a shitload of zip ties, and then zip tying Elmo, god dang it, ET with a blanket, and just kind of going from that. But I don't know how it's going to do well with the wind. Maybe I'll bring both with me and then store the fairing at a buddy's house. But that's going to be fun. That's pretty much the ride announcement for the month. I want to go out to Dallas in November. I know that there is the Lone Star Rally in November, so we're not sure if we're going to that or we're going to the Twist Off. But we're going to make our way down to San Antonio now, since no one's showing up.